I mean, if you are okay with it,
Oh
then
no, this is not.
then
This is a bit too much.
Yeah. 400 for this, 350.
350 ठीक है.
I'm a bargaining queen.
My-
There is never a budget. आपके पास पलाजो पैंट्स है, हैरम पैंट्स है? तो दिखा
तो
था
भाई है।
पहले ही आपने ना बोल दिया. He just doesn't want to give. आपको कैमरा में नहीं आना, आप मत अब हेल्प तो करो हमारी. सही है ना 500?
मुझे नहीं पता.
अरे you have to help
या
me.
सही है.
हाँ. आपका प्रमोशन तो हो ही रहा है ना फ्री में.
हाँ.
तो अभी आप भी थोड़ा दाम कम ज्यादा कर सकते हो. तो अभी आप बोल रहे हो 650 का 600. अब मैं आपको बोलूंगा 500. हो गया दी एंड.
चलो जल्दी पैक करो.
उम्मीद है ना
Let's
आपको
go
फिर-
गागा, let's go.
कभी गर्मी कभी बारिश. हमारे मुंबई का वेदर इज ऑलवेज कंफ्यूजिंग. बट एक चीज में आई एम डेफिनेटली नॉट कंफ्यूज्ड एंड दैट इज styling. And once again we are at Lokhandwala Market for another exciting episode of Gully Fashion. So it's gopi pen, dhoti pen.
Copy pen?
Yes.
No guys, it is Gopi pen. Please, for God's sake.
We have Ashnur Kaur with us. Ashnur, welcome to Gully Fashion.
Thank you.
So tell me, how can I help you today?
I don't remember the last time I went street shopping. I really want to go shop some Gen Z looks. So I'm really excited and I needed someone to guide me on it.
Absolutely.
Let's go.
And that's why I'm here with you. What we can do is, I have two looks in my mind for you.
Okay.
We could do a nice long shirt with
Yeah.
some hot shots.
Yeah.
Probably some flip-flops, or I'm even okay with what you're wearing currently.
Yep.
These shoes also would work.
Perfect.
Teaming up with some cool glasses and some jewelry to go with.
Okay.
And look two can be, how about a long dress? Since you're already wearing a short dress, let's do some justice and एक लंबा प्यारा सा
Done.
ड्रेस खरीद लेते
Done,
हैं.
done.
और उसी के साथ हम, I think, some jewelries to go with. We'll keep it
Yeah.
very minimal.
Okay.
And could be some flip flops or gladiator heels.
Yeah.
What's it?
Yeah, works.
Does that sound like a plan to you?
It does. Let's go.
Alright,
Let's
let's
get
do
started. I'm a very bad road crosser, so you.
And that's why you're with me here today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So do you have a nickname, Ashnur?
Ash. My
Ash.
friends call me Ash.
Ash. So Ash,
Yes.
what's your go-to fashion statement?
So I like to keep it very cute. Like, yeah. This is my go-to fashion statement. If I can't understand or I'm not liking the combination of something, I'll just slip on a cute dress with a nice bow
That
and just
looks
be good
cute.
to go.
Very pooky of you.
Very spooky of me.
सबसे पहले मेरी आंखें गई इस शॉर्ट
Oh
पैंट
yeah.
पे.
Nice.
These hot shots.
Yeah.
I think they really look cool on you.
Yeah.
इनके साइज में ये hot shots हो गए? Do you like ripped jeans? Do you like to show off your
it's-
skin?
Yeah, we can.
You're cool with
Oh
it?
yes.
Oh yeah. Oh, they have many colors.
Yeah.
They have way too many colors,
but
and I
we-
love the mint green.
Me too.
Yeah, I think this should be the one. नहीं
What
ऐसा
is
ऐसा ही यही पसंद आया.
Like
This
this?
is pretty. I mean, if you are okay with it,
Oh
then
no, this is not.
then
This is a bit too much.
Yeah.
A bit too much.
ये भी प्यारा है, but
Okay.
इसमें
इस colour में
इनके
नहीं
साइज
होगा?
नहीं है. अरे यार.
Oh.
So you don't fit into a 28.
I fit, but this does not look like a 28.
ये 28 है बोल रहे हो, मुझे भी 28 नहीं लग रहा.
This looks like a 26, 24.
नहीं.
What should
This doesn't look my age. Oh, sorry, did I just reveal my age? ये मतलब
Do you would
नाप
like?
ये
Oh, that's
पैंट
so
ना
cute.
पहनने के बराबर सा हो गया, you know, and I think वो मैम रेडी नहीं है इतना स्किन दिखाने के लिए. ये भी प्यारा है, but हमने
again.
बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारी चीजें देखी है बाहर.
Yeah.
तो I think आप कुछ उस
You
जोन
wanna
में
get
दिखा
these
सकते हो
long
तो.
shirts too.
That too, auntie.
Yeah,
I
good.
won't even let you wear
You'll
that.
be matching.
Yeah. Ever. हाँ. ये था.
This is cute.
अच्छा. Okay. बाहर से it was looking better ना.
ये तो आ ही जाएगा.
ठीक है, but प्यारा है.
मेरा भी
And there's a way you can check if this is your size, so you can just roll it over your neck like this.
size. Oh.
So it kind of fits you. I think it will fit you well.
Okay.
हाँ, ठीक है.
My
So
God.
this is
wow.
the styling hack.
Wow,
Yeah.
Gaga.
You're most welcome. So I think हम ये denim pants खरीद लेंगे.
Okay.
And then we'll end up looking for something that really complements these shots. And I think I'm not gonna look for it here.
Yes.
It's just not your zone. So
Yeah, sure.
we are done from here.
Okay.
बहुत बोरिंग हो
नहीं.
गया अभी ये सब. हम 2025 में है. हम बोरिंग चीजें नहीं पहन सकते.
I don't know.
So what do you think? How Gen Z are you? Do you prefer sticking to the millennial generation, my generation,
I'm not your generation.
at all? So you prefer being very Gen Z,
I prefer
pooky,
being my gen.
and you're
gen-
cool with all those terms that you guys have been using all
Oh
this while?
yes,
Yeah.
of course.
My God, it's a challenge for me.
Drip has to be giving.
I'm pretty sure about that. कितना हुआ इसका? और लास्ट प्राइस बता दीजिए. नहीं लास्ट प्राइस आप बता दीजिए. 400 for this. 350.
350 ठीक है.
हाँ, चलो ठीक है. We are getting this for 350. I'm very happy.
What's our budget though?
Arey, that you don't have to worry about.
अच्छा.
I'm a bargaining queen.
My
There is never a budget. Thank you so much.
हो गया. Thank you.
चलो
On to the next shop.
on to the next. Gosh, it's too hot.
It's too hot.
Anyway, Ash, talking about Gen Z fashion, how
Uh-huh.
do you describe your Gen Z fashion?
So I guess people have kind of, made Gen Z like, oh God, what tacky stuff they wear. It's not really tacky. It's like we are comfortable and oh, we actually might find something here. It's actually
Okay.
about being comfortable,
Mhm.
yet being unique to yourself and finding your own style.
Wow, I like how it sounds. I'll buy that.
Yeah, you have to. I mean, there's no choice. Let's buy something from here now.
All right, let's enter in. Shirts, हाँ, इनके साइज के लिनन में एकदम पूकी टाइप्स के है ना. पूकी
Pookie
टाइप्स.
types.
हाँ. इसमें
Yeah.
और बड़े साइजेस है.
इसमें लंबा है लंबा.
दिखा दो ना. इससे लंबा नहीं है.
I mean, I think it should be like a long.
हाँ, a little longer. तो only then. Like I think वो ज़्यादा लंबा लग रहा है मुझे इससे.
Short. हाँ?
ओवर साइज मिलेगा.
हाँ तो ओवर साइज ही चाहिए. ओवर
Oversize.
साइज. हाँ. इसमें कलर्स हैं.
इसमें पिंक कलर.
हाँ तो दिखा दो
चाहिए?
पिंक. And I don't mind
Yeah.
this either.
Yeah.
Very summery.
Yeah. And like nice and
Easy
Chic.
breezy.
yeah.
I mean, it'll look nice. I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure about that, but I'm not very confident about the neckline. It just
Ah.
looks too off,
Yeah.
considering your neckline, which is too gorge. So yeah,
Yeah. What do you think of this, or is it too much?
I
No,
like
na?
it. No,
It's
I
cute.
don't mind. I don't mind
cute.
at all. Wow,
It's too cute.
you have got great eyes,
I have an
girl.
eye, yeah.
I think this is it.
है ना?
I don't mind this.
Even
Yeah,
I really like this.
very nice.
But नहीं.
ये थोड़ा summary
This
भी
is-
है.
and
Let's play with
popping
some
also,
colors,
yeah.
and this is not too loud.
हाँ.
So out of
Looks nice.
these three, this one it is.
Yeah.
Why? Because it looks more happening,
And then
less boring, and it just goes with
it
these
goes
hot
very
shorts.
well.
So I
Let
think
me just
this
check once. These are not
yeah,
popping.
it's too pale
That's
also.
giving, yeah.
This is giving for sure.
Giving.
Very 2025 Gen Z Pookie
Yeah.
fashion. I think I'm gonna end up saying Pookie a lot of times, so you have to bear with me.
No worries, Gaga.
Okay, आप मुझे इसका बता दीजिए प्राइस कितना होगा. नहीं वो
not
नहीं, वो
that.
बहुत ज्यादा लंबा है. कितना है इसका? क्यों 450 किस खुशी में?
Oh, you didn't like this?
तो मुझे इसलिए सस्ता करना है ना ताकि वो महंगा ना हो.
Gaga,
हाँ?
Gaga, you like this?
I like this too, but
Which one? Or is it too
you know,
long?
Yeah, but that
That's
just
like
looks
you just got that. Cool.
and it's too much checks.
Yeah,
Less
yeah.
girly.
Yeah, correct.
But tab tak, let me do my thing. I'll take a minute or two. Last. Okay, he was able to give it to us for 350 rupees. So
Very good.
thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhaiya. My God, you have such bargaining skills,
Well,
Gaga.
that's why
I
you need
could
Gaga.
Never.
That's why you need
I'm
Gaga.
taking you on every shopping spree.
Please do. So tell me, what's your favorite color?
Fun fact, I don't have a favorite color.
Oh, you don't have a favorite
don't
color.
have a favorite
And how is that possible?
I don't know, it's just like, as a kid, of course, I love like purple and pink. But then, I mean, it depends on what it is.
So mostly you prefer going as per the vibe.
As per the
You
vibe.
like it, you buy
yeah,
it.
Yeah, correct.
Oh wow, that's
Like
nice.
I can go as wild as a fluorescent, I can go as, subtle as a pastel.
How about we go for some chikankari kurtas? इनके sizes है?
हाँ मिलेंगे ना साइजेस आपको.
अच्छा ठीक है. मैम के sizes में.
प्यारा सा कलर चाहिए एकदम.
बहुत
Like pastel
Pastel,
would be
pastel.
better. हाँ.
आइए ना बहुत सारी
चलो
variety
ठीक है.
दिखाता हूँ मैं.
आप डिस्काउंट देंगे तो.
डिस्काउंट देंगे ना मैम आपके लिए.
Last time भी हम.
know how to
You
bargain now.
you better. And I think he knows us because last time भी हम उनके पास आए थे. आप पहचाने हमें?
आए थे ना, मुझे पता है. आप लेके गए थे ना 350 वाली चप्पल लेके गए थे.
देखा? He knows the price also.
350 is a fix क्या?
अलग-अलग कितनी वैरायटी.
नहीं,
But
not
it's-
this.
I don't like the
not the
design.
pattern, yeah.
The pattern is too black.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Then we'll go for a very flowy plazo.
हाँ. cute.
इसके sleeves कैसे हैं?
इसके अंदर दिखा देता हूँ
How about this one
This is also
instead?
cute.
हाँ. I mean, this looks nice only. I love the color.
Yeah. Or
I
longer
would
one?
rather prefer this
Oh.
than that one.
I guess this is.
Because see, this has a little bit of tie-dye effect
Haan.
to it. But this is like a very plain.
That's a very classy thing, I feel.
Chalega,
Because we'll also
if
go with like
I think
nice.
your eyes are rolling
Yeah.
on this. So I think
Yeah.
we know what we have
Yeah.
to buy.
Because I just
हाँ.
feel like this pattern is very common.
Common. I think फिर आप इसका पहले प्राइस बता दीजिए.
और ये 500 के पर आपके लिए 400 आप लोग आते हो ये बता
अच्छा ठीक है.
हम
तो ये
चप्पल भी
400 में दे
लेंगे.
देना आप. सही है ना 500?
मुझे नहीं पता.
अरे you have to help me.
या सही है.
हाँ. Then he'll be like, no, you have to take it for 600.
आपके पास बैग है बैग में दूँ आप
हाँ बैग चलेगा.
है ना?
कोई
ये
इशू
लास्ट
नहीं
टाइम
है.
आपने बैग नहीं लिए
नहीं
ये
लिया.
आ जाएगा ना
Knows
मुझे.
everything. आपकी मेमोरी बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है हमारे से भी. थैंक यू सो मच. फिर मिलते रहेंगे.
जी जी.
आई थिंक हमारी शॉपिंग ऑलमोस्ट हो
Yeah,
चुकी
like
है.
done with half of it.
So what I was thinking is either we could do a harem pant or a palazzo pant to go
Yeah.
with for the chicken curry
Something
kurta.
nice and flowy.
All we are left with is some jewelry,
Yeah.
footwear, and we are sorted.
Let's go.
We wanna walk like this. वैसे Gen Z fashion तो मेरे बस के बाहर है,
Oh.
but I really
You
want to ask
don't
you.
get to say that.
हाँ, I mean,
You
do you think
don't
I've
get
done
to say.
justice to Gen Z fashion?
I mean, see, again, I told you, Gen Z is about being yourself and like being free and unique, and you're definitely standing out.
Oh wow, thank you. Always, that's always the case.
It should
But
be.
if you get a chance to style me in your Gen Z way, how would you do that?
Cause you like carry different things really well. That's what I think, right? And not a lot of people can do that. बस गागा वापस नीचे आ जाओ ज़मीन पर. But I guess not a lot of people can carry like a long skirt with a crop top very well. But I guess you could really do that.
Oh wow. And I guess I'm gonna try that on my upcoming
You
episode.
should. And give me credits late.
Sure thing. आपके पास palazzo pants है, harem pants है?
ऐसे
तो दिखा था पहले ही आपने ना बोल दिया. He just doesn't wanna give. आपको कैमरा में नहीं आना, आप मत अब, but हेल्प तो करो हमारी.
हाँ?
नहीं 800 for a palazzo
नहीं,
pant
नहीं,
is
too much.
way too
Let's
much.
go.
Thank you, shukriya.
Did he call back?
He said no, he will not.
Oh.
He's very stubborn, and I hate such stubborn people.
Let's go. We're not shopping from now.
Talking about exes.
Fill me up.
Yeah. Alright, so Ash, हमारे कपड़े sort हो चुके हैं, and I think we need to buy a pair of shoes for you.
Yes.
So can we do some jutis instead?
Yeah, I guess because we already have shoes.
हाँ, तो हमारे look one के साथ तो वो चला जाएगा. Before that, let me also ask you, street shopping तो होती रहेगी,
Correct.
but do you also believe in thrift shopping? Are you a thrift girl?
I guess that's a great thing because sustainability, recycling clothes, pre-loved clothes, and you get such good ones. You know,
I
there are a
know,
lot
right?
of things that you're looking for, but they're not available currently in the market. You might as well.
And I also love the fact that they have a lot of vintage collection to offer. So
Yeah,
that's one
yeah.
reason why I personally love thrift shopping.
Yes.
Okay, Asha, चलो खरीद लेते हैं footwear.
Let's go.
हाँ, वो दिखा लेंगे एक बार. नहीं
वैसे,
नहीं,
जितनी
शादी सीजन तो खत्म होने आ गया यार.
शादी तो कभी भी होती है ठंडी हो गर्मी हो बरसात नहीं क्यों नहीं
वो बात भी सही है. So what I feel is, for second look we'll end up buying. How about
This
this?
is very pretty. I had my
है ना?
eye on this. मेरा
और
size
इनके
है पहले
size में
इसमें,
है.
39, 40.
मिल जाएगा
आपने ही रुकाया ना हमें कि आओ शॉप से खरीदी करो, तो हम ठीक है पहले आप साइज तो लेके आओ, फिर देखा जाएगा.
साइज आपको क्या
Then I'll do my part.
39 या 40.
ये ट्राई करके देखो 40 है एक बार ट्राई करके देखो
नहीं, ये नहीं आएगा, छोटा है.
बहुत छोटा है तो मुझे भी नहीं आएगा.
हाँ. मैं आपके शॉप पे पहली बार आ रही हूँ. पर
मुझे लगता है वो मैम अलग होएगा ना
हाँ, वो मैम अलग थे. हाँ, नए मैम के साथ हम आते हैं. नहीं he does. He
नहीं,
thought
आप
I've come here
आते
with the
रहते,
same
देखो.
person.
गलत बात है कितनी.
Yeah. That was with Reem Sheikh actually.
she's a dear
So,
friend.
Yeah.
Oh, done. हाँ भैया, perfect.
ही आपको प्रमोशन ज्यादा करना. देखो अभी आपका प्रमोशन भी होगा,
हाँ,
प्लस
अभी
आप
free में
एक्सपेक्ट
दे
कर रहे हो कि आपके दाम के हिसाब से ही दे.
आने लगा तो मैं आपको फ्री दे दूंगा
ऐसे नहीं होता. आपका प्रमोशन तो हो ही रहा है ना फ्री में.
हाँ.
तो अभी आप भी थोड़ा दाम कम ज्यादा कर सकते हो. तो अभी आप बोल रहे हो 650 का 600, अब मैं आपको बोलूंगा 500. हो गया
देखता हूँ मत
दी एंड.
चलो चलो जल्दी जल्दी पैक करो.
मैम को गर्मी ज्यादा लग रही है
हाँ बहुत. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू.
we will just do 2 kadas.
है कुछ आपके पास?
Still, na, we will show 2 kadas.
दिखाइए चेन.
I like that only so.
थोड़ा ऐसे गर्ली.
Because we have to do something in silver. Gold will go to off.
सिल्वर चाहिए गोल्ड चाहिए
सिल्वर भैया.
Then there is this.
भैया ये खोल के दिखाइए ये दोनों.
तो 210 किस में है?
खोल के दिखाइएगा.
अरे यार ऐसा
No,
क्या
no, this
कर
is
रहे हो?
too tacky. The
But
pointy one
the
looks
pointy one
nice.
looks more visible.
Sorted.
हाँ सिर्फ सिल्वर में दिखा दो फिर.
Is this too much? This one? नहीं भैया ये नहीं. आप ये कर दीजिए final.
She,
Oh, it's
check
cute.
your hand.
भैया आराम से मेरा हाथ ना बीच में आ जाए.
जाएगा
आ जाएगा. So my size is actually 2'8".
जो पहना था ना
10 मतलब 2'8" भी आ ही जाता है तो मुश्किल से हम 2'8" ढूंढ के because you're not getting a 2'10" वाला option.
1200 में ही दिया ना
Let's
आपने
go,
फिर.
Gaga, let's go.
Okay, okay, fine,
Thank you,
fine,
भैया. Thank you. Let's go. Let's change. Until then, guys, please subscribe to Hoterfly.
वाह आज तो मजा ही आ गया.
मजा आ गया.
So
Finally,
let's
we are in
see.
AC.
Yeah. Let's see what all we have purchased for you today. Starting off with your look one, Ash, which is this cool looking shirt, which we bought it for 350
That
bucks.
has got my eye on.
Yes. So thanks to you. We got these shorts as well,
Yes.
again for 350 rupees.
Uh-huh.
Moving on for the look two, we got this really cool chicken kurta for 500 bucks. 400
4.
हाँ.
मैंने तो कहता प्लाजो दो.
प्लाजो तब खरीदे जब आपका ध्यान कहीं और था.
मेरा ध्यान तो शॉपिंग पे था यार.
हाँ नहीं but
आप
मुझे बस
छुपे रुस्तम निकले.
of course that's why you're with one of the best stylists on board.
For sure.
The jutis for 500 bucks.
So pretty.
And ये तो round figure करा के I think उसने हमें 1200 में दिए. So all the jewelries which we will use it for your look one and for your look two. So are you all ready to get ready with me?
I am excited. Forget ready. Let's go.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's go.